What is Azure Pipelines? Azure Pipelines automatically builds and tests code projects to make them available to others. It works with just about any language or project type. Azure Pipelines combine continuous integration (CI) and continuous delivery (CD) to test and build your code and ship it to any target. What is continuous integration? Continuous integration (CI) is the practice used by development teams to automatically merge and test code. Implementing CI helps to catch bugs early in the development cycle, which makes them less expensive to fix. Automated tests execute as part of the CI process to ensure quality. Artifacts are produced from CI systems and fed to release processes to drive frequent deployments. Continuous delivery is a process by which code is built, tested and deployed to one or more test and production environments. Deploying and testing in multiple environments increases quality. Continuous integration systems produce deployable artifacts, including infrastructure and apps. Automated release processes consume these artifacts to release new versions and fixes to existing systems. Monitoring and alerting systems run continuously to drive visibility into the entire CD process. What is continuous testing? Continuous testing on premises or in the cloud is the use of automated build, deploy, test workflows with a choice of technologies and frameworks that test your changes continuously in a fast, scalable and efficient manner. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below on what topic we should cover next. Thank you.